Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps launching on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps launching on Shein, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window or to the app of Shein. Here in this page of app info, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.